Congratulations, Dad! You have made up your mind in using a disposable diaper for your baby.
Yes.
But upon seeing the grocery aisle full of disposable diapers, did you feel scared? Did you feel confused again? Did you feel that you're back to square one? Are you sure which diaper to buy? Hi dads! Mel here from Dad Speaks. So we are on our second part of this video series that talks about diapers. In this video, we will be talking more about disposable diapers. If you are not yet familiar what a disposable diaper is, please watch our video about the introduction on the types of diaper here. If you are already set, then let's get back to the video. Finally! You have made a major decision in your life, Dad, and you deserve a pat on the back. And then, you arrive at the grocery. Several aisles of diapers are lined up in front of you. Now, are you confused as ever? Don't worry, dads, I got you. Here are some tips that you could use in choosing the best disposable diaper for your baby. First, budget. As mentioned in the previous video, disposable diapers are relatively cheap per piece, but the cost of using them over time still adds up, and you can never go out of the spend cycle until your baby can use the bathroom independently. For our family, we set a budget, but you cannot just throw away some random numbers and call it a budget. You need to learn to forecast. Yes, you heard me right. Not only at work, but you also need to learn how to forecast in your home. To easily forecast your diaper budget, you need to know your baby's diaper consumption. You can do this by counting the number of soiled diapers you have in a day, say for a week, and then get the average. Once you get the average, multiply it to the number of days of the succeeding month. And then once you get this figure, multiply it to the average price of the diaper you see at the market. You can make this as your benchmark as your diaper budget. Next, plan your purchase schedule. How? Wait for monthly deals from these online selling platforms. Why? Because this online selling platform gives you 1. Discounted prices from the retail prices. 2. Lets you take advantage of using coupons and other discount vouchers. And 3, they let you use points or coins that you earn from their platform to get more discounts. So it's all about discounts. Plus, they are very convenient. They can deliver your purchases right in front of your doorsteps without you getting out, especially now in this pandemic. Side note! Of course, you can still buy at the groceries, but what I'm saying is, it's cheaper to buy diapers online if you know the right timing. But don't get too excited and buy a truckload of diapers just because they are on sale, dads. You need to remember that your baby is growing on a very fast pace as of the moment, and they might outgrow these diapers. In my opinion, 1 month is a reasonable window for your baby to stay in one size before they jump to another. Forecasting as well as scheduling will help you keep things in track, and that, dads, is called optimization. Second, know your baby's size and fit. Here in the Philippines, diapers follow a sizing chart. This sizing chart is based on the baby's weight. Sizes may vary from newborn up to triple extra large for some brands. I would like to warn you that this is not foolproof. All brands around the world follow this universal sizing chart, but to be honest, they fit differently to each baby's. My daughter is already 10 months old and weighs around 8 kilos. Based on the universal sizing chart, she should be wearing a medium-sized diaper. However, when we tried this medium-sized diaper, it's too small for her. So we got her one size larger than medium, which is a large. And that large size fits her perfectly. When checking for the right size and fit of a diaper to your baby, you need to examine the leg as well as the waist area. You should be able to put one finger in between these bands. When you put your finger, you should feel a light resistance on the bands, but you should be able to move your finger freely from side to side. If it's too loose, then it's too big. If it's too tight, then it's too small. Also, do not assume that your size from diaper brand A will be the same when you are switching to diaper brand B. As I mentioned earlier, they fit differently to different babies. So what can I say about size and fit of diapers in general? Well, don't be restricted about the sizing chart. It's better to try it for yourself and choose the best option for your baby. Third, material. Not all diapers are made equal. Some diapers are made with certain chemicals, dyes, and fragrances, and this might affect your baby's health. Check signs of irritations or allergic reactions. Redness in the area is usually the best indicator if this is already happening to your baby. I remember a time when this happened to us. We tried a local brand here in the Philippines for my baby. After an hour or two using the diaper, we noticed that our baby became fuzzy. When we checked her diaper, it was still dry as the desert, but we observed some redness on the groin area. We switched it up with another diaper brand and the redness subsided. Yes, we do have 2 to 3 types of diaper at that time because we wanted to test them out. We tried to use that brand again after some time and the redness still reappeared. We have nothing against that brand, it's just that it's not fit for our baby, so that's why we decided not to use that brand anymore. Lastly, check for the diaper features. Here are some features that you can consider before making that final decision in buying that diaper. 1. Absorbency. Absorbency is the ability of the diaper to lock in moisture to keep it away from your baby's bum. Remember, moisture promotes bacterial growth, and this can lead into infections and allergies to your babies. So this would be a big no-no for us parents. There are diapers that claim that they give the best absorbency for your baby. However, when they say they give the best, they also expect you to pay more. So don't fall for this pitfall easily because you might not need that added feature for your baby. In our experience, our baby soils around 8 to 10 diapers in a day. This started when she was still a newborn until around 3 to 4 months old. You might be thinking now that if we have used the more absorbent types of diaper, then we could have saved or lessened our consumption of diapers. You're partially correct about that. Although, these kinds of diaper can be used for a longer period of time because of their absorbency, you need to take into consideration that babies also poop. For breastfed babies like my daughter, she can do it either once a day or every after feeding. And my daughter chooses the latter. So having a very absorbent diaper and a very poopy baby will not be really that helpful in that case. I'm not saying that this is true for all babies, but what I'm saying is you need to gauge your baby's bowel movement too, because you might not need to pay for that extra feature for your baby. 2. Choose the best fastener. There are 2 types of fastener, the tape types and the pants type. Tape types are made with adhesive strips that closes a diaper up. On the other hand, pants type are made with stretchable waistband that form-fits your baby's waist. In our experience, it is easier for us to use the tape diaper for the first 6 months of our baby because she's still lying flat on the bed most of the time. Then, we transitioned to pants when she started to stand up and crawl because the tapes are being easily peeled off by our baby due to her movements and her curiosity as well. Also, you might experience to be in a very sticky situation for tape diapers because as I have mentioned, these diapers are made with an adhesive strip. And once that adhesive strip loses its stickiness, it will be hard for you to stick it back on the diaper. So you have to be very careful when peeling it off then put on again. As for the pants type diaper, they tend to be too loose or too fit for your baby. So what I suggest is to stretch it out a little bit and then see if it fits your baby better. Third, wetness indicator. This is the best feature that they have produced for a diaper ever, period. It is a thin marker strip that is visible on the outside layer of the diaper, and it changes color once it comes in contact with liquid. So once it changes its color, it is a visual signal for you to change your baby's diaper. This wetness indicator really helped us a lot during our first weeks with our baby because we really don't know her pee schedule and we don't know if the diaper is already soiled or not. So if we saw the wetness indicator starts to change its color, then we have already an idea that we need to change our baby's diaper. So just a quick recap, guys. These are the things that you can consider before buying that best disposable diaper for your baby. 1. Budget. 2. Size and fit. 3. Material. 4. Diaper features. I hope that with these tips, it will be easier for you dads to decide which diaper brand you are using because you already have the factors to consider before buying them. Thank you so much for watching, dads, and see you again next Tuesday where we will do a diaper product review. We will put local diaper brands here in the Philippines to a test. See you again next time here on Dad Speaks. Goodbye!